To enter recovery mode in your Z Fold 6, we first must connect the phone to a computer or Android. This is a necessary step. I will now show the key combination and then we'll do it together. So we press and hold power and volume down for 10 seconds, then we release. We then press and hold power and volume up until we see the Samsung logo for a full second, then we release. So pause the video, prepare your phone. I'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume down. Keep these two held down. Do not release. I'll start counting now. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume down. Now press and hold power and volume up and patiently wait for the Samsung logo to appear. Now, if this doesn't work for you, try a couple of times. If still not working, the issue is with your charging cable here, so cable must support data transfer. We will now release as we see the Samsung logo. So it should enter us into the recovery mode quickly. Touchscreen doesn't work, so use volume down and up to navigate, and then click the power button to select your option.